Hey everybody, it's Colby with Kowalski Designs, and we have a Temu package here. It's hard to tell because it's the white bag instead of the orange bag, but it does say Temu. Now this bag looks a little bit open because it was ripped open a little bit here at the top, so I did open it to make sure that all the items were in there. Didn't really look at them that much, just counted to make sure that they were all in there. There should be 9 items in here. I got sent a deal from Temu where it was like pick 6 items for free when you buy 3 items. So that's what I did. And we've got a little bit of everything in here. First thing we have in here is a Lego, we'll call it Lego set. And this one is a green Lamborghini. So it's like the Technic set, the big one, but this one is on a way smaller scale. We've got some stickers here. Here's the instructions. So not too bad. My kid loves Legos, so I figured I'd try out some Legos. And then that's what the car looks like when it's done. So when my kid puts it together, we'll maybe update this video. They're not in any kind of like numbered bags unless that 3 right there is bag 3. I'm not sure, but they look just like the other ones. But of course they don't have the name on the bricks. So that'll be fun. He loves building them, so if these are good quality, I don't have a problem buying them for him. He's 8, so if he gets more, then, you know, you can get this set for $5 as opposed to going to the store and paying 20 for it. For me, that's a good deal. So that's item number 1. This is the item that was kind of sticking out of the bag a little bit. This is a defrost tray. Quick and easy, draws the cold in minutes. Don't know quite, I'm gonna have to give this a really good washing just to make sure, but okay, so it's just a very thin metal here with some ridges on it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's the safest way to defrost meat and frozen food quickly and naturally. It is very easy to clean and dishwasher safe. No need to use microwave, electricity, chemicals, or hot water. And it defrosts food in minutes, even while frozen rock solid. So, and don't use wire brushes or steel wool to clean the surface. Probably has some sort of coating on it. Next, sticking with the Lego, this is Lily Brother Medical. So this is like a 6-in-1 where you can build all these little different things. It looks cool. These are probably a lot cheaper than these, but it's cool to have them in a little bag like that. Then there's one more. This is DIY World Xbox One Edition. Build your own creation. Change to new models is what it says there. So this one, you can build like this little house, kind of like a Minecraft kind of thing. So we got some of those to test out. This here, let's see what's in this. So we've got 4 so far, so this is number 5. Oh, this is a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. That's what she said. But this is a woodworker's tool. You put this on there, you put your pencil in there, and then you can scribe straight lines and whatnot. We got that. Let's see. This box is a little crushed. It's a good box for digital calipers. Look like it broke through there on that one side. I have a good pair of these from Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight ones are super cheap. They come in a nice case. They're easy to use. So we'll see how these, oh, that's plastic. So let's see if there's a battery in there. Nope. Battery not included. So we'll have to get a battery to see if these work. But being that they're plastic, I don't know. There's not even a screw top on there to hold it in place, but it does have millimeters and inches. This is a pivoting, supposed to be a pivoting head for a screwdriver. I do a lot of 40-ounce cups, and they have screws on the handles, and the one inside screw is really hard to get to. So I thought, okay, so it does. Okay, so it's got a little cuff on it, so it doesn't bend, but if you pull it up, then it bends. So maybe I can use this and get the inside screw in the handle a little bit easier. So you see that there, and then it's got this, and you pull the cuff up, and then, so that's that. Let's see what else is in here. This, I don't know what this is. These are Ryobi little X-Acto knife. These things are awesome. Not from Temu. Oh, okay, so this is another knockoff woodpecker's tool. This is like a, so you put this, let's see here. You put this here, like on a piece of the wood, and then you can draw your 45s for miters, and it goes around the edge like that. So is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. Now I could have used this the other day, did smash burgers, and I have the Blackstone bacon press that I use, but I saw this on Temu, and it was one of the free gifts. So figured I'd get it, but it feels nice. It's thick, it's not bending. This seems to be welded on pretty well, the handle here, and it's super flat. They have a burger press for Blackstone, but it's got a lip on it, and you can only get them as thin as that lip. Well, if you want real good smash burgers, you need to be able to smash them and spread them around and stuff like that. So this feels actually pretty good. So that is the haul for today. I do have some more Ligu coming in from China that I ordered off of AliExpress. When those come in, I'll do a boxing video of those, and we'll go from there. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed and click that bell icon so that way you get notified when I post up new videos. And leave a comment. See if there was something on here that you thought was pretty cool that you would buy yourself, or let me know what other items you'd like me to review or do unboxing or order from Temu, or what kind of content you're looking for. All right, thanks. Have a great day.